This is the ACCLAIM LED Fresnel from Strand. The Strand ACCLAIM LED Fresnel is a full-color theatrical Fresnel wash fixture designed specifically for small to medium spaces. The ACCLAIM has set the standard in 500 to 650 watt lighting for a generation, and this new LED version offers saturated stage color washes and dramatic highlighting capabilities, thanks to the high-quality, industry-standard 4 3/4 inch front lens. Because this is a true Fresnel, it is a smarter choice for wash lighting than a par or fixed beam luminaire. This is due to its superior control and light quality, with no need for frost filters to soften hard edges or to smooth out irregularities or hot spots in the beam. The ACCLAIM LED Fresnel utilizes a red, green, blue, and lime LED engine, and this can produce a wide range of colors that can be controlled with a simple and easy-to-use DMX map. It has a maximum output of 4,500 lumens in the beam, and it operates at 170 watts max power consumption, and this can all be run from 100 to 240 volts AC. The ACCLAIM LED Fresnel comes with a locking, standard-sized accessory holder on the front of the fixture to hold an optional 4-leaf barn door accessory, gel frame, or any other third-party accessory. The Fresnel has a manual zoom knob, providing a smooth zoom range from 10 to 50 degrees for manual adjustment of the soft edge with little light scatter. Here is an example of the fixture at a warm white and a cool white. The ACCLAIM LED Fresnel has a dynamic strobe control and smooth, even field dimming. Here's an example of an 8-second fade out. And back in. With its robust construction and superb optics, ultra-quiet fan controls, and superior LED technology, the Strand ACCLAIM LED Fresnel is the perfect fixture for smaller theatrical spaces. And that is a quick look at the ACCLAIM LED Fresnel from Strand. If you have any questions, we invite you to visit the Strand website for more details and any downloads you may need for the ACCLAIM LED Fresnel.